Hi, I'm Megan. I'm the owner and creator of Calm House Crafting. I have done both of Carol's amazing tech editing courses. I did her knitting tech editing course at the end of 2021 and the crochet tech editing course in 2022, and I have been working as a knitting and crochet technical editor since 2022 successfully. What Carol's course gave me is a whole new career, really, a whole new life. It's been amazing. Carol's course gives you everything that you need to start off with being a technical editor. She covers all the basics, all of the knowledge, and she does it in a really clear way that's easy to understand, that anybody can make sense of it. She just has such a great knowledge base and such a fantastic way of explaining everything. It really covers the whole basics of knitting and crochet and all of the kind of maths and expertise and all the extra stuff that you would need. There's been nothing that I haven't been able to tech edit because the fundamentals are all there. Carol has such a fantastic way of explaining everything to just make it all make sense. And since doing the course with the support of Carol and Paula, I've managed to create my own business as a freelance tech editor, and it's been life-changing, really. So if anybody has any thoughts about the course, I would 100% recommend it. If you love knitting, if you love crochet, and you want to create a career out of it, it's been so worth it. And I'm just so grateful for the opportunity to have done it and for everything in my life going forward. So definitely go and do it.